Navigating the CTFL Certification Journey, a step-by-step guide. Embarking on the Certified Tester Foundation Level (CTFL) certification journey can be both an exciting and challenging endeavor for individuals aspiring to establish their expertise in software testing. The CTFL certification, offered by the International Software Testing Qualifications Board (ISTQB), serves as a globally recognized standard for entry-level testing professionals. Understanding the CTFL certification landscape. The CTFL certification, offered by the International Software Testing Qualifications Board (ISTQB), represents a comprehensive and standardized approach to testing methodologies and practices. Decoding the CTFL exam structure. The CTFL exam is designed to evaluate a candidate's understanding of fundamental testing concepts, and a thorough understanding of its structure is essential for effective preparation. Effective study strategies for CTFL success. Effective study strategies for CTFL success involve a combination of resourcefulness, organization, active learning, practice, and collaboration. Practical application of CTFL concepts. Understanding the practical application of Certified Tester Foundation Level (CTFL) concepts is essential for aspiring testing professionals to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world scenarios. Conclusion. In conclusion, the journey towards achieving the Certified Tester Foundation Level (CTFL) certification is both rewarding and challenging, requiring a strategic and proactive approach. In navigating the CTFL certification journey, candidates are not merely preparing for an exam. They are investing in their expertise and credibility as software testing professionals.